Hello guys and welcome to this quick video. I will show with you how to fix a Roblox critical system error. Now guys, what you need is go to rest your PC and search for it, and the way you can do is down on search rest of the PC and started. Now from here you just keep my file if you don't want to remove everything, and you can just simply click on the PC from there. Now the error occurs and error your Windows you are updated and anything your Windows. So what you need to do is just click and clean on the rest off and your laptop or PC device, and just here keep my file, and then after that you should be play normally, and this you'll solve your problem. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.